Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'm inspired by Crush Pink, which is an ice cream, and if you want to know how I achieved this colorful makeup look, then keep on watching. So first things first, I want to be doing the blue color, and I will be using a fluffy brush like this one for the first color, and I'm using the W7 Sherbet Pop in Sherbet Ice, which is this one right here, and I will be applying that in the crease, kind of like lifting it up and have it here to kind of diffuse, but you notice the color. Then I want to take my Makeup Revolution Constellation, and I'm using Venus. This is the hot pink color that is closest to the ice cream color. And I will be using the same fluffy brush to apply that to my eyelid. And the reason for that is because I wanted to fade in with the blue, but I don't want it to take over the blue, and then I will intensify by going over with my finger if I need to closer to the lash line. The same color I will be applying to my lower lashes, so I'll be using a flat brush like this one to achieve that. Then I want to take my Essence Eyeblender brush that looks like this and blend this lower lash line. Now I want to go ahead and put on the eyeliner. I'm using the Catrice Calligraph Artist Matte Liner in the shade 040 Butterscotch that looks like this. now I want to apply the mascara, but before I do that, I will be curling my lashes. And then I will take my Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I will apply it on my upper and outer lower lashes. Then to make my eyelashes look a little bit thicker, I will apply a eyeliner pencil that has no name and that looks like this to the outer corner of my upper lash line or waterline. Then I want to take the Nyx Strobe of Genius and use purple, which is this one right here. And I want to take a small brush, this small, and I just want to apply this purple to the inner corner of my eye to make it pop. And the last thing I would do is put on some setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Base Fix that looks like this. And there you have it, a crash pink inspired makeup look. It's so perfect for summer. It's fun colors and it just gives me that summer beach vibe, and just laying in the sun, doing some lounging, maybe even going to go shopping and just have fun in the sun. And this is definitely giving me the earlier 2000 vibes when we were not afraid of using colors. So and it's giving me Barbie in a way. It is giving me Barbie. So just because she's not afraid of color either. And that is all I have for you today. And if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!